Dr. K.K. Paul, Honorable Secretary, Mr. Bimal Julka, invited esteemed guests from the Northeast, and dear friends. Our first step towards promoting and encouraging the new and different films from the Northeast has come to a successful end. This is a small and new step towards exploring the diversity of our country through our cinemas, art, and culture. And we are positive that this new beginning will definitely turn into a major event in the coming years. The festival began with a thunderous performance of Papon and his East India Company. With their lovely folk songs, they set the ground for this festival, which aimed at providing a totally new experience with the youngsters of Delhi haven't seen or heard before. The festival, which was planned like a complete package, was able to introduce to our audiences to different flavors of the Northeast. The painting exhibitions showcased the richness of life and beautiful landscapes of the region. For this, we would like to thank the Lilith Kala Academy for putting up a brilliant show. The handicrafts and the food stalls introduced us to the skills and creativity which rests in the region. The range of designs was very enticing, while the different cuisines reminded us once again that how many varieties of taste this country possesses. We would especially like to thank the Northeast Zonal Cultural Committee, which arranged this mammoth task with the help of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. The 8 hand-picked films showcased in the festival have been able to engage and entertain our audiences, which is a signal for us that in the coming years, the cinemas of the Northeast will become a strong and vibrant force of expression in the country and the world. We are grateful to all the talented filmmakers from the region who are trying to establish a filmmaking movement in the region. Today, the festival will showcase the cultural performance by Nise Muruno and Nagaland singing ambassadors. The performance will be followed by a closing film of the festival, Re, made by the upcoming filmmaker Pradeep Kurba. The Directorate wants to thank the people of the Northeast residing in the capital who so enthusiastically attended the festival and made it a success. I also acknowledge the people of Delhi who embraced this festival and engaged with the culture of the Northeast for 3 consecutive days. We are sure that with this kind of response, our future endeavors in the capital will be a big success. Lastly, I want to acknowledge the fact that this wouldn't have been possible without the support of our Honorable Minister for Information Broadcasting, Sri Prakash Javadekar-ji, and Honorable Secretary, Mr. Bimal Julka. A big thank you also to the Additional Secretary in the Ministry of INB, Sri Raghavendra Singh, for his continued guidance and support. Last but not least, I would like to thank my team and staff of the officers in the Directorate of Film Festivals and the employees of the CCW who are all on duty at various positions even while I'm reading these lines. A special thanks to DAVP, All India Radio, and the officers of PIB and the social media for their help and support. Our country is unique in its own way. Our culture is diverse in its own way. Our cinema and our filmmakers have the capability to capture the essence of our people and their concerns. They have the ability to represent us worldwide. The Directorate will continue in its mission to promote and celebrate the unique, daring, and outstanding cinemas of India across the world, so that the people of different nations and regions are familiar with each other, thereby transcending political and social barriers and facilitating greater peace, understanding, and harmony amongst each other. Thank you so much.